Muhammad Yunus took the power illegally. Actually, he captured the power with dirty politics and a lot of people killing.
We believe in secular democracy. After he took the power by force, he started killing.
Yunus is not belong in Bangladesh.
The reason we here, as you know, unconstitutionally, Dr. Muhammad Yunus took the power illegally. Actually, he captured the power with dirty politics and a lot of people killing. So far as we know, our elected Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina did not resign. We are humble request to UN that since they couldn't prove themselves that she resigned, so our humble request, he did not represent Bangladeshi people here. Our humble request, please ignore him. He doesn't represent people of Bangladesh.
Our demand peace. We believe in secular democracy. After he took the power by force, he started killing Hindus, Muslims, Christians. They're burning all houses. They're burning masjid. They're burning Girja church. Our people is not safe in Bangladesh. We had a freedom fight 1971. We 30 people was killed and assassinated by Pakistan. Those Pakistani people, the fundraising against Bangladesh, they want make our country against Bangladesh. They are terrorists and they don't believe in secular democracy. So we are, if we need, we're going to do another war against Pakistan because we never forget our 30 million people who was killed and assassinated 1971. Joy Bangla.
He don't do any of this. Like a United States, you have a platform, you buy a credit card, you have to pay the loan. He do the same thing in Bangladesh. That's why he's very suffering. He said he belonged to a student, but student killing another student as a Amwali. He don't believe in Sheikh Mujibur. He don't believe in 71. We have a war. He don't believe any of them. We shame on him. He should not be there.